Friends and family, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to share with you what drinking 4 glasses of water every day for 30 days did to me. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Oh, I thought I turned it off. I guess I didn't. Okay. So we've heard about the benefits of water. We've heard all kinds of things, what water does for you. So I just wanted to do it for myself and find out, if I was going to benefit from it at all. So I started drinking 4 glasses of water every morning. Now a glass is 8 ounces. Just so we have some sense of measurement here. So a glass is 8 ounces. So 4 of those in the morning. So anyway, so I embarked on that journey. This piece of research is saying when you drink water on an empty stomach after waking up, these 8 amazing things will happen. Okay, so the first thing is, this is the Lifehack website if you want to check it out. 1, the benefits of drinking 4 glasses of water every morning. It helps rid the body of toxins. 2, it improves metabolism. It gives you energy. 3, it reinforces healthy weight loss. 4, it alleviates heartburn and indigestion. 5, it improves complexion and skin radiance. Hello. 6, it promotes shiny, smooth, and healthy hair. 7, it prevents kidney stones and bladder infections. 8, last but not the least, who would have thunk it? It strengthens immune systems. Let me tell you which ones of those that I experienced. I get compliments from time to time, about my skin, but when I started drinking this water in the morning every day for 30 days, people who hadn't seen me maybe a week before or 2 weeks later, what have you done with your skin? Your skin looks radiant, your skin looks beautiful. I'm like, with all the other expensive things I'd been doing, I wasn't getting that many compliments. I was getting some. But with the water situation, it's insane. And of course, I'm taking it all in, like, thank you. The second thing, my hair started to grow like grass. 2 weeks ago, I did this braid, this, cornrow tree braid. This morning, I'm getting ready to go DC. I'm like, wait, the gap here for the part was like, it looked like this, exactly like this. I'm like, I know, this looks terrible. I can't do this. And so this is what I did. I took my crochet still here, my crochet needle, and I went through here, went in through there, scooped hair from this side and pulled it out through here. And I kept doing it all the way here and all the way here. And that is what helped me this morning. 2 weeks. I've grown half an inch of hair. The other thing is the texture of the hair is soft. I have 4C hair, okay, or 4Z is how I like to call it. And the hair is so soft and it just feels so nice. Now, I'm gonna talk about the negative side of it, guys. So I drank the four glasses of water and I started to feel, and this is all thinking back, I started to feel a little dazed, but I'm like, I probably didn't get enough sleep. So it happened for a few days back to back. There was one day that I was in such a hurry that I couldn't drink the 4 glasses. So I drank about maybe 1.5 and I had to go. I didn't feel dazed. So I said, okay, let me sort of start to mentally just document what I'm feeling and when I'm feeling it, because I'm still trying to figure out what's causing this, okay? And so 4th, 5th day, I'm doing it again. And this time I said, let me just sit, because every time I drink it and I get up and I'm going, I'm thinking maybe just getting up too quickly out of bed. It's because I used to have that problem. It's making me dizzy. But this wasn't a dizzy thing. It was like a lightheaded, spacey kind of thing. It's really weird. It's almost like you're walking on clouds or like you're floating. So it's not like the room is spinning, it's not that. It was more like you're floating. So I decided, let me just sit, maybe I'm getting up too quickly after drinking the water, so let me just sit down. So I sat down. 5 minutes later, I stood up and whoa, yeah. I'm like, oh, yeah, I felt like I was floating again. So I'm like, okay. So I thought through it and I said, okay, 2 glasses, I do not get lightheaded. Okay, so I have come to the conclusion that I can't do 4. I know they're talking about easing your way into it if you can't do that much water on an empty stomach first thing. I ain't no easing in this situation. I can't do it. I have to figure it out what it is, but in the meantime, I will not be drinking 4 glasses of water at once first thing in the morning. So that was definitely a negative thing. Negative thing number 2. Friends and family, if you have a long commute to work or to wherever, don't do it. Don't drink all that water. OMG. So I make sure I empty my bladder. After I drink all that, I make sure just before I go out the door to work, I empty my bladder. By the time I get to work, I am like, oh, I gotta go. I don't even want to go put my purse in my computer bag or anything, or in my lunch bag. I don't even go put those down. I just want to go straight to the bathroom. It's always a close call, guys. It's always a close call. So all that to say, if you don't have bladder control, or if you have a long distance drive commute to work, or if you're not going to be close to the bathroom within an hour or 2 after drinking all that water, don't do it. So there are days when I have to, go to Washington, D.C. and my commute is long and far. I don't do it. I don't have time to be getting on that metro rail that every other day has issues, delays, and needing to use the bathroom. No ma'am, sir, I shan't do that. So those are the only 2 negative things that I can think about. But I think that it's a good thing overall. I sort of expanded that challenge to drinking a gallon of water a day. So during that span of time, when I realized that I can't do all the 4 glasses of water, in the morning, I decided that, okay, I'm going to expand it to a gallon a day because I'm almost there anyway. And so that's how I continued the rest of the 30 days. So I still made sure that the moment my eyes open, at least 1 to 1.5 glasses of water, I am downing it before I get up and out of bed. Okay. So I wanted to make sure I have that concept clear because, they're talking about your body healing itself while you're sleeping and the toxins being released. You want to flush that out quickly. You know what I mean? Before you step out, you want to definitely flush it out. So one of the things that I noticed after reading the positive things that happen when you drink 4 glasses of water when you wake up is the energy level. I am a groggy person when I wake up. I am slow, not in a very good mood, because my mind and my nerves are still trying to connect, the dots. Like, yeah, you're awake. It's life now. It's daytime. Get the ball rolling. Let's do this. So in going through that every morning and then starting to drink this, water in the morning, I don't know if it is the water that gave me the energy or the fact that I had to make a conscious effort to drink that much water that woke me up. You know what I mean? So I don't know what it is. I can't say it's solely because, the water did something to me and gave me energy. But I will say, just even the act of having to down 4 glasses of water in the morning woke me up. It woke me up. Yeah. And at lunchtime, after eating lunch, I usually am a little sleepy. I wasn't sleepy. During this period of time, I didn't have that problem. I didn't have that food coma situation. I didn't. So friends and family, thank you for watching. I hope this was informative to you. I hope this is helpful to you. And I hope you try it and let me know. With that, friends and family, I'm going to leave you to move on with your life. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you come back again soon. I always got stuff to say. I'm long-winded. Yes. Okay. All right. If this video is not too long, you're going to see some driving fun. If it's too long, I'm cutting it off right here. Okay. Bye.